I love my little yellow gumball machine. It's so tiny and cute. Oh, hi Lizzy.
Hey Az, what is that?
It's my tiny little gumball machine. Here, want a gumball?
Yes, I'd love a gumball, but not from that little thing.
What's wrong with this little gumball machine?
Well, it's small and it's kind of boring. It's not really very cool.
Aw, I like my little cute little gumball machine. Lizzy, that wasn't really nice. You should apologize.
I'm not gonna apologize for speaking my own opinion. I don't like it.
Oh man, I thought maybe me and Lizzy could play with the little gumball machine together. Oh well.
I'm probably gonna watch a movie.
No, I have a better idea. I have the perfect place for you.
He's coming.
Shh. There you go, bud. Okay, now where did I put that quarter?
Now time to make a better gumball machine.
What happened? Yes, it worked! What do you mean it worked? What did you do?
I made it so much better. See, look, it's got pretty red and blue swirls, and when you turn it, it plays music! Ooh, I call this one yummy. Blue raspberry.
But I don't want a blue and red music playing gumball machine. I just want my special yellow gumball machine.
Oh, come on, there's so many different flavors. I love the blue raspberry one. You might want to try it. But come on, this is a total upgrade. Go ahead, spin it.
Oh, Lizzy, this is not my gumball machine. No, I don't want to spin it.
Right?
This one. No, I don't want to do it. Lizzy, why did you make me do that? I didn't want to.
What? No, this was so fun. You definitely had a fun time. Plus, this is yellow. You wanted yellow, right?
I said I wanted a yellow gumball machine, not a yellow gumball.
Oh, come on, just have a bite. It'll be so good.
Lizzy, you're not listening to anything I say. It is pretty good.
See, I told you it'd be amazing. And I am listening to you. I'll prove it. One yellow gumball machine coming right up.
What? This is not a small gumball machine. This is a ginormous gumball machine.
But isn't it amazing? Come on, let's go find the quarter.
Wait, what? No, Lizzy! I want my yellow gumball machine back.
My secret hiding place. It's my lucky quarter. Let's go.
Sorry.
Az, move out of my way. I need to get my gumball.
You can get a gumball from my little machine. Change it back right now.
No, maybe after. I am not getting a gumball with my special quarter with your tiny, weird machine.
It is not weird, it's cute.
Yes, these gumballs look so much better than the tiny ones. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, twist, twist, twist. I got a pink
one! Lizzy, change it back, please.
Oh, come on, Az. I haven't even tried my pink gumball yet. It matches my shirt perfectly. I have an idea.
Lizzy, no more ideas unless it's turning the gumball machine back into mine.
Trust me, you'll like this. There we go. You even got a blue one. It's for you.
Whoa, that was so cool. Wait. After I eat this, will you please turn it back?
Of course. Not.
What, Lizzy? You tricked me.
Nope, you just didn't let me finish my sentence. That's all.
Ugh, you're no help. I'll do it myself.
Well, okay, go ahead. I make it look easy, but you don't know how to do it.
this can't be that hard.
Good luck. He's never gonna figure it out.
I'll press 3 because it's the first of 3. 3. What? This is amazing! This is great! It's got GumBall what I wanted! And MachiNe! This is great! This is awesome! How'd you do it?
We need more quarters.
No, Lizzy, I'm changing it back.
No, you're not, Az. We're getting all that candy first. Your little GumBall machine can wait.
I have the remote, so I'm gonna change it back right now.
Don't you dare.
Yes, I do. No! Wait, what? Where's Lizzy? The machine's still here. What happened? Lizzy!
Whoa, where am I? This is crazy. Are these GumBalls? This is the weirdest thing that's happened to me all day. Az, you're huge. Az, I'm in here. Come save me. Az, you have a remote in your hand. Come on. You just have to press one button and I'm out of here. Please.
This is not funny.
Az,
Lizzy? Lizzy! You're so small and you're inside the machine. How did you get in there?
how did I get here? It's all your fault. Come on. Think about it. You were pressing the buttons on the remote and then you set me in this machine. Please figure out how to get me back.
My fault? You're the one who was being rude and not listening all day.
Being mean? That is not true. I was trying to give you some fun and you wanted me to play with you with your machine and I did it.
I was trying to play with you with my little machine, and then you kept changing it.
Yeah, to make it better for you. This is definitely not a great way to show your appreciation.
I'm not gonna show appreciation for not respecting my feelings. I am not letting you out of there until you apologize.
Apologize? Why would you apologize? You don't want me to be saying thank you.
I'm not gonna have a conversation with you until you're ready to talk and listen.
What? Az, where are you going? Seriously? You're my only way out. What was he saying about, not listening? I don't know. I wasn't really listening, but why did he just walk away like that? He didn't even help me get out of this giant GumBall machine. Or medium-sized or normal GumBall machine. When I am the one that's small, but
Why would she tell me to be thankful when she's the one who needs to apologize? Why would she even say that? Well, the music machine was pretty cool, and the big GumBall was really delicious. I guess I was too caught up in trying to get her to listen to what I was trying to say that I didn't see what she was trying to do.
now that I think about it, I got myself into this mess because I wasn't listening to Az, and I was only paying attention to what I wanted to do and not what he wanted to do. I just really need to talk to Az. Az! Really quick!
Lizzy? I need to go see what's wrong. Lizzy! What's wrong? Lizzy, what's wrong?
Oh, Az! I'm so glad you're here! And nothing's wrong, just that the way I treated you, and I was really, really mean, and I wasn't listening to what you wanted, and I was just not really caring about your interests. I'm sorry.
I forgive you, Lizzy. And I just wanted to say thank you. You made this day so much fun. I just didn't see it because I was too focused on myself and what I wanted.
Well, Az, that meant so much to me. I promise as soon as I get out of this machine, I'll bring your machine back.
Oh yeah, I need to get you out of there. Let's see. I'll click. Go back.
Am I back? Am I big? Nope, these are M&M's. Huge ones. You just moved me one machine over.
Sorry, but maybe bring one back for
Those look good.
Let's see.
Menu.
Whoa! Oh no! These are MachiNes! I'd rather be in M&M's and GumBalls than MachiNes. Maybe try the stop button. And I'll stop everything that's happening, and then everything will be back to normal, I think.
Great idea, Lizzy. Stop. Whoa. I'm back to normal. Yes, I'm back again. Woohoo! Gumball machine. Woohoo! Woohoo! Thanks, As, for bringing me back. Here's your machine. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big